Ooh. Guess what? This week, 5 minutes or less, I'm going to give you some pointers on how you can show more mercy. Yes, it's how you are going to be more merciful and receive all of what God has coming to you. The first thing that we talked about in Matthew chapter number 5, verse 7, about the merciful are not only going to show mercy, but they're going to be shown mercy as well. We said you got to be able to see. In other words, you need to be present. Oh, yes. That means you need to be able to see in others that they're God's vessels. Don't see them as, oh, this person that's irritating me, their brother and sister sandpaper. No, they're God's vessels, and we need to honor them in that capacity. We also need to see their potential, not just what they're presenting to us at the moment. We need to see the potential, not just that immediate right now. See what they can go, see where they can go, see how you can then assist them. The second thing I mentioned was that we need to be able to feel them, right? We need to imagine being in their position, in their shoes. That's what you're going to ask God for. God, show me what it's like to be them. Don't be quick to judge is another action item that you can take to make sure that you are feeling them and you're being more merciful. Ask questions. Ask the questions of them to get to the heart of the matter, to really see them for who they are, and then turn around and also ask God to show you too. But the third one I gave you was to do something. Oh, this just doesn't mean I'm just going to pray about it. But when somebody does ask you to pray for them, pray right there. Why do you have to wait? You don't have to pick a specific time. You just might forget. And I know as we get a little older, sometimes we claim it on forgetfulness, but sometimes we weren't willing to do it. But be willing to be interrupted. Be willing to be disturbed. Be willing to be uncomfortable. Be willing. Ask God for that one too. The fourth thing, as I mentioned, forgive. And I know this is probably the biggest hang up for most of us, but forgiving is a command. You're commanded to forgive. So just do it. Okay, it seems a little easy, right? Do it, but also turn it over to God for your retribution, for Him to rectify it, for Him. Let Him be the righteous judge. Ask God. God, replace what they took from me. God, rectify this situation. Ultimately, in all of these, you're going to ask God to be able to see them, to be able to feel them, to be able to do something for them, and to be able to forgive them. Those are your 5. That's how you're going to overcome and be more merciful. That's how you're going to then obtain also more mercy. That's how you're going to humanize all of what God has called for you to do. That's how you're going to be a glimpse of heaven for someone else. I'm Dr. Chonta Haynes, and this is your truth for the week. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and make sure you keep putting feet to your faith so that you can walk victoriously. Oh, I'm all about the application, and I want to make sure you get it right. Have a fantastic rest of your day, fam, and make sure you tell somebody else about it too.
Hi, thanks for listening and watching. And if you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification button so you'll know the next time there's a new episode. Listen, as a result of my coaching program, my clients have experienced a calming of the emotional roller coaster. They have a compelling future, as well as the confidence and the know-how to achieve it. And they have clarity on the financial tools that they need in order to live life on their terms and save tens of thousands of dollars. I'm looking for women who are devastated by the double D's, divorce or death, who want to gain confidence to live life on their terms with peace and financial security. My question is, who do you know? Have them go ahead and book a call with me so that we can get to that compelling future. My heart may be broke, but your bank account doesn't have to be. You can find us online at h2truth.org. At Heart Truth Ministries, we're helping believers live an abundant life based on God's Word, standing on His promises, walking out His principles, sharing with God's people, serving as unto the Lord.